this police officer has allegedly killed over 6 people in different communities, and these are the people that she has insured through insurance claims and also accidental covers. From the information that we received earlier, it is believed that she has so far received a payout of over 10 million rand from the year of 2019. So from what we are receiving from the officers, every year from 2019, there has been someone that has been, killed in mysterious ways, and she has been benefiting from those claims, and she has been called another Rosemary, as you'd understand that we've had quite a similar case to this one. So we waited for her this morning at just closer to the station, as she was expected to return from leave and report to this particular police station, and now she has been apprehended, and the police have actually given her, told her about her charges. But let's bring in Brigadier Atlenda Mate to tell us more about, this particular operation. Ma'am, thank you very much for your time. Perhaps you can give us, just a background on how we actually got to this particular arrest.
Well, a very good morning, and thank you for the opportunity. There's a culmination of a lengthy investigation by Captain Keshi Mabunda. He was approached on the allegations that this particular police officer is involved in insurance-related murders. So we then roped in Captain Keshi Mabunda because of his expertise in solving similar cases. So he has been investigating this matter. He roped in insurance companies, various banks, and so on. He collected all information, analyzed it, and then we obtained a warrant of arrest. We are quite confident that we have a strong case. But from the SAPS's side, we are quite disappointed. As a police officer, you are entrusted with the responsibility of serving and protecting the people of this country. When a person such as a police officer then abuses powers conferred upon them, it's really it's a disgrace. It's an absolute disgrace. We are here. We are sending out a stern warning to everyone, and we are stamping the authority of the state, saying we are also looking within. If anyone is found to be in the wrong, to be involved in criminal activities within the service, we will take the necessary action. So far, our investigation has revealed that she is at least linked to 6 murders. Some of these people were from disadvantaged backgrounds, destitute. Some of them were mentally challenged, some were disabled, and so on. And I believe that they were known to her, and these are people that trusted her. I mean, when you see a person donning the blue uniform, you could only expect them to lead by example. So she abused her powers as a police